In this video, we are going to discuss the report performance for today. So guys, yes, we are going to talk about the hedging report, the smart hedging report, and let's discuss about the performance. Okay, so you know that we have started this account yesterday, and so that we can show you the results that how the report is working. So guys, right now you can see that overall profit is 38.22. This is the cent account, and first I will give the review on the cent account, then I will take you towards the dollar account. Okay, so this is the start from tomorrow, and if we go to the custom period and if we go just for today, and you will see the results. Yesterday it was able to get $31.73 from the market, and this is the live account. You can see and how it has performed today. So you can see about the lot sizes. So what I have given on the cent account, I have given the minimum fixed lot size as 0.20. I have intentionally set up it bit higher so that it should work according to the cent account. Okay, so you can see the trades, they are 60 cents, 45, 15, 20, and you can see $2.60. So in this way, the highest lot size that it has used today on a cent account is 0.99, which you can consider it as a 0.01 lot size on a dollar account. Okay, so you can see it's working on these 6 pairs like Euro USD, Australian Dollar USD, Great Britain Pound USD, Great Britain Pound JPY, Euro Great Britain Pound, and AUD CHF. Okay, now let's move towards the dollar account. Okay, so this is the dollar account. So let's see that how much profit it has made till now from yesterday. So from yesterday it has earned $248. If we go for the today period, like if we go to the custom period and if we open the history for today, then you will able to see that how it has performed. Today it has earned $165.90. Okay, so just look at the trading history for today and you can check the lot sizes that how well it has performed with the small lot sizes 0.01, 0.02 on this trade, 0.05, 0.03, 0.09 is the only trade I think. Okay, 0.03, 0.01, 0. So you can see that's the low risk trading. It is performing like 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, and with just the highest lot size that it has used today was the 0.09, and with this mode it has earned $165.90, and the floating loss right now is just $36.58, which is quite reasonable on the profit that it has gained today, that is $165. And let's talk about the cent account, that how much the floating loss is running. The floating loss is almost $6 at the moment, and what it has earned, I have shown you that it has earned today $31.73. So guys, this is the best report I have ever launched, and this is working very fine. That's why I'm keeping you updated with the results. It's working very fine. And guys, if you want to book the lifetime licenses, we are giving the first 10 licenses on a discounted price. After that, the market we will be giving on the market price. So guys, if you want to book your licenses, you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can contact on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are provided in the description of this video below. Please like this video, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.